The 9-day sojourn of Lord Jagannath and his siblings, Lord Balabhadra, Devi Subhadra, has come to an end with the sacred Bahuda Yatra. This return procession marks the concluding phase of the world-famous Rath Yatra. An Odia youth working in Mali, West Africa, has reportedly been kidnapped by terrorists linked to Al-Qaeda. He is one of the 3 Indian nationals abducted during a militant attack on the diamond cement factory on July 1st. The water level of the Hirakud Dam is steadily rising amid the opening of the Kalma Gate on the Mahanadi River. Following this, 6 additional gates will be opened on Sunday. As of now, there is no flood threat, even with persistent rainfall in surrounding areas, said a senior official. India's Gini index now stands at 25.5, making it the 4th most equal country in the world after the Slovak Republic, Slovenia and Belarus, according to a World Bank report. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is currently in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Upon his arrival, the Prime Minister was accorded a ceremonial welcome at the Ezeiza International Airport. The Karnataka government has suspended the Deputy Conservator of Forest and 2 other officials in connection with the shocking deaths of a tigress and her 4 cubs in the Male Mahadeswara Wildlife Sanctuary in Chamarajanagar district. The committee is expected to submit its final reports on July 10. The government has reduced toll rates by up to 50% on certain sections of national highways that include structures like tunnels, bridges, flyovers and elevated roads. The move is aimed at lowering travel costs and making road journeys more affordable for the public. In a major step towards ensuring road safety, the Union government on Saturday appealed to consumers across the country to use only Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) certified helmets. President Donald Trump has signed tariff letters on export from 12 countries, which are expected to be sent out on July 7. The US President said the names of the countries which will receive the letters would only be revealed on Monday. A late Weverton own goal saw Chelsea eke out a 2-1 victory over Palmeiras in their FIFA Club World Cup quarterfinal at Lincoln Financial Field in Philadelphia.